So hello guys, welcome back to the customer service replies and work summaries agent project. So here we'll complete this, and basically it is for the ranger tier also and for the champion innovator tier also. So here you need to just complete all the quests one by one, starting from the first get started, and then you have to complete the others. Otherwise, if you just change the basically try to jump the process, you won't be able to complete this module. So basically here first thing is that we have to fill the sign up form. So just open it, and here basically let me tell you what you need to do. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you need any other trailhead course etc, you can just comment down below. I'll try to make it. Now here basically you have to enter your first name, last then email should be here. You can see the email section. Email should be the genuine email, which where you will be getting the email, because you have to verify yourself. Now just enter all the details, and your username can be anything. You can write anything for the username, and then just click on just enter anything first of all in the username. Like this you have to format your username in the domain form. Now just click on this checkbox and click on sign me up. Now once you click on sign me up, you'll see this kind of output. Basically here you have to check your email. Basically the confirmation, a kind of confirmation setting email will be sent. Now basically it may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. This kind of email you'll be getting. Okay, so it may take 5 to 10 minutes to arrive, sometimes even 1 to 2 minutes. So you need to wait till you get the email. So let's wait. Basically I am waiting too, so let's wait it. Just click on the verify account on your mail, and here you have got an option to reset the password. You have to just reset the password. Use any password which you will be remembering, because you may be asked to enter it in future. So just make sure the correct password is there. Also, one more important thing is that we will be requiring to sign in also. So for that, what you need to do, you have to check the email address which you have just now created. Basically the username is the email address where here you will be using to sign in. And sometimes what happens, it gets signed in automatically. Sometimes you need to authenticate also. So here I will show you both the methods if it permits. So first of all, wait for the page to fully load. So if it asks to update the password, do not check it. Now finally this page is live. The setup page is live. You don't have to do anything basically, I think. So here we have to do some task also. So first of all, click on connect organization. Okay, you have to just click on that three dots and just connect organization. Now for the email, you can check your email address where you have received this option to reset the password. Now enter the password over here, and then you have to just log in. Okay, you have to just log in. Just follow the way I'm doing and you'll definitely get the score. Now here you have to just allow some permissions. So just allow some of the permissions, and then just click on yes, save it. So once you have saved it, you will see this challenge lab page will open again, and here you can see your username has been set. Now you have to just launch it and do these tasks. Okay, these tasks are very easy. Just follow along with me and you will definitely get the score without any issue. Now here on the search box, quick find, you have to just wait for a few seconds first of all and click on this search service setup. Come over here and just paste it. Now just click on it. Sometimes it does not work, so you have to just click it again. Now here we have to enable some of the settings, so just click on it and remove this unwanted pop-up and save it. If you get this kind of pop-up again, just disable it and just save it again. Now once you have saved this pop-up, okay, once all these things are saved, wait for some time. Now once you have saved these settings, we have to just do some more settings over here, like setting up domains and etc. So please pay attention to each and every step so that we don't miss anything and we are able to complete the complete course without any issue. So now let's move to the next step. So I know this video will be little bit, boring. You may feel that this is taking a lot of time because I want to cover each and every step easily, basically in simple manner. So that's why I am just pausing a bit. So you have to just follow along with me. You can use the 2x feature or 1.5x to speed up. Now here for the messaging features, you have to just turn on the messaging first of all, and then you have to just go to the domains, and here we'll be copying our domain. So make sure you are ready with your notebook, basically notebook you can say, or notepad also. You can use any personal notepad or just any online notepad. Now here you can see, wait for a second, experience cloud sites domain. Just copy this domain like this and paste on your notebook, basically on the notepad, because we'll be using it for the next part of our lab. Now once it is done, come back here, and now we have to open this embedded service deployment. So just copy it like this, and on the search box just paste it and just submit it. Now from here you have to just click on new deployment. Just click on the new deployment and just click on this checkbox, that is messaging for in-app and web. Now if you face this kind of issue, just refresh the browser or just retry again and it will work for sure. Now just retry again and then select it and click on next. Now here it will be web app. Now next. Now for here, display name, for the display name they have given the display name, and the API name will be pre-filled. Now for the channel it will be messaging, and this is the domain which we have copied. Now just in previous step we have to paste over here and just click on save. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. Basically we have done this and here, and the next step is that we have to enable some of these settings like this. You can see here, these are the settings. So please pay attention to each and every step so that you are not messed with anything. Now here you can clearly see, now this site is enabled. Now the next step is that we have to just edit the settings and just enable these options like this. Just open enable all these options and then just click on save. Now once you have saved it, you have to just come down and open the pre-chart form. Now the most important thing is that you have to enable this checkbox, otherwise you will not get the score. Now here just add one by one all these things you have to add. Okay, make sure to follow the sequence, and here you have to make required for the first three things. So just make it. Now just use the account number and order number like this. You can cross verify from the module instructions also, and then save it and then just publish it. Now just save it. Okay, at the bottom there is save option, just save it and then click on the publish option. So once you have click on publish option, it will take some time to update, so wait for it. Now here you can see we have to enable the Einstein bots. So just copy the name carefully, come over here, click on service setup, wait for some time, and in the quick find you have to just paste it like this and just click on it. So it will take some time, so wait for it. Now here you have to just click on this toggle. Now once it is enabled, just click on this amaze bot. It will take some time to open, so just wait for it. Here you can see the service console is here. So just open the service console. You can just click on this app launcher, and from here you have to just paste the service console. Remove the unwanted full stop. If it is here, you have to just click on the service console, not one with salesforce demo. Okay, so just open it and wait for some time till it gets opened. From here, make it available online. Okay, first of all, make it available online. Right, from here you have to make it available online. Now once you have done this, it will take some time, and here you can see we have to just come to the embedded service deployments and view and just modify the text messaging. So if you haven't closed the embedded method, you can see here, you can just check it out on the quick basically service setup option. So now you have to just view it, and here will be just coming to the, if you haven't just basically if you have closed, you can just open the service setup. I was just showing like this. Now here, once all these things are done, you have to just come down over here. Let me show you, and in the text messaging, just open it. Basically we are just testing our app whether it's working properly or not. So here just wait for some time. Here this is the subject which we have to enter, basically the query. Whenever you must have used the chat support, I think so. Now click on this black icon, and then just you have to enter your name, last name, email. Try to write any email you can write, and in the subject we have to just change the subject from the lab instruction, whatever they have mentioned, in case you haven't updated it yet. Now just click on start, and after that you can see here, once you click on start, we have to just report a shipping. So just click on report shipping problem, and once it's done, you can see here the chatbot has left. Now from here our task stops. Basically chances are there we may get the score, but from the next step, basically from module 2, 3 and 4, our task starts as an agent. We'll be replying and they will be receiving the response. Just like any services, if you have used, you must have interacted with the chat support. Like this only will complete. Now the module 1 is complete. Now for the module 2, stay tuned, video will be live soon. I will attach the video link and the playlist links in the description. All things will be available. Do not worry. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.